In this video, I'll show you how to fix missing templates in CapCut. If you can't see the Templates tab in CapCut, there are a few fixes you can try. First, if you installed CapCut from the Microsoft Store, that version may not support templates properly. Uninstall it and download CapCut directly from the official website, then reinstall the desktop version. After reinstalling, open CapCut again and check if the Templates tab appears. If it's still missing, try using CapCut on your browser. Sign in to your account, then open the web version and check the left side menu for templates. In many cases, templates are available there even if they don't show in the desktop app. If the issue still continues, it may be related to your region. Some features are not available in certain countries. In that case, using a VPN and reconnecting to CapCut may help restore access. Finally, restart the app after making these changes and check again. And that's how to fix missing templates in CapCut. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.